Looking for something fun to do in Erie? Try Erie Food Tours. During our walking food tours, you'll learn the history and culture of our region while enjoying delicious food from locally owned restaurants, bakeries, and specialty shops. There are 3 food tours available: the original Downtown Erie Food Tour, the historic Northeast Food Tour, and the newest one, the Happy-Appy Food Tour, which pairs favorite local appetizers and alcoholic beverages. Weekly food tours run seasonally from May through October. Private tours are available year-round upon request. TripAdvisor ranks Erie Food Tours #1 with a perfect 5-star rating. Eat, learn, walk. Erie Food Tours. Schedule a tour today at ErieFoodTours.com.